I'm going to make a curry with a fruit today, and this fruit is available in abundance in Sri Lanka. And if you don't have any vegetable in the kitchen, this can be a very good replacement. Okay, I'm going to tell you what it is. Come. It's guava. I have a plate full of guava with me, and I'm going to make a curry with this fruit. And to make guava curry, first I'm going to tell you ingredients required for this. We need spring onion, garlic, green chili, pandan leaf, lemongrass, curry leaves, and dried red chili. Then we need cinnamon, mustard seed, and cardamom. And then we need turmeric powder, curry powder, chili, little oil, first extra coconut milk, second extra coconut milk, and then we need salt. Is that all? No. So we need something else to prepare this curry. Yeah, the most important ingredient is this guava. Right. So we can now prepare the curry. I have washed this guava well. Let's chop it. When preparing guava curry, we have to remove this inside, the seeds, because it's hard to bite and eat. So we have to remove it. Let's cut it off. When you select guava for curry, you don't take the hard guava, the tough ones. It has to be little ripened, not very much. Because a little ripened guava has a sweetness in it, and that's delicious for the curry. So we can dice this into the medium-sized pieces like this. I had chopped guava, and then I can put it into a clay pot. And then at the same time I can keep the spring onions, green chili, and garlic cut. Chop garlic into smaller pieces. And to this I add chili powder, curry powder, and little turmeric powder. And also salt. mix it well with your hand and leave it for 5 minutes. That's enough. After 5 minutes, we can add the second extract, coconut milk. Now we can cook this. You can stir it a little bit. You can close it and cook it for 15 minutes. Now this curry has been cooking for 15 minutes and you can see now the curry is reduced. In between you can open the lid and stir it, and then it's time to add first extract coconut milk. Stir it to mix the coconut milk with the curry. Leave it for another 5 minutes to cook. In a little while, I'm going to remove this curry from the heat and I want to prepare the ingredients for the next step. So first I need to crush little cardamom, or you can take 2-3 pods of cardamom and then crush. And it's ready, and also I have all the ingredients ready for the next step. And let's see the plight of our curry. Okay, now it's almost cooked. I'd like to taste it to see whether the salt is okay. Yeah, it's fine, perfect. The curry is now cooked. We can remove this from the heat. Okay, you can switch off the stove. Right. The next step is heat a clay pot. When it's heated, we can add oil. Let the oil heat. When the oil is heated, you can first add mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds start spluttering, we can add dried red chili. And into that we can add cinnamon, small piece of cinnamon, and then pandan leaf, curry leaves, lemongrass, and into that we can add garlic, spring onion, and green chili. And finally we can add crushed cardamom. Saute this for about 2 minutes in medium heat. When the onions turn brown, we can remove this from the heat and add this into the already prepared curry. Now we can serve the prepared guava curry. If you have a guava tree at home, in your home garden, you don't have to always rush to the market to buy vegetables. You can prepare a delicious curry. Wow, this curry looks very tempting and I can't wait to have a piece. It's tasty. You can try it at home. Let's get to know about the health benefits of guava.
අපේ රටේ පේර වර්ග ගොඩක් තියෙනවා. විශේෂයෙන්ම වර්තමාන වෙනකොට දෙමුහුන් කරු පේරක් තියෙනවා. අපේ කැලෑබදව හැදෙන පේර සහ ගම්බදව හැදෙන ගෘහාශ්‍රිතව හැදෙන සාමාන්‍ය පේරක් තියෙනවා. එතකොට ඇඹුල් පේර කියලා තව විශේෂයක් තියෙනවා. මේ පේරවල විවිධාකාර ගුණ තියෙනවා. නමුත් අපි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අපේ ගෙවල් වල වැවෙන පේර අපි පේර දළුවේ ඉඳලා කොළ ඉඳලා අපි ගෙඩිය දක්වාම විවිධ ප්‍රයෝජන සඳහා ගන්නවා. එතකොට පේර කියන්නේ විවිධ ලෙඩ රෝග වලින් විශේෂයෙන්ම අපිට හැදෙන උණ හෙම්බිරිසාව කැස්ස වැනි රෝග සඳහා භාවිතා කළ හැකි හොඳ ඖෂධයක්. අපේ අම්මලා ඒ කාලේ අපිට කැස්සක් උණක් හැදුනට පස්සේ පේර දළු සහ කොත්තමල්ලි කබල බෙදලා කොපි වගේ වකලා දෙන අවස්ථාවන් තුණා. විශේෂයෙන්ම හොඳ නොවන වියලි කැස්ස අවස්ථාවේදී පේර දළු වලින් කරන කැඳ අපිට දෙන සම්ප්‍රදායක් තුන. ඉතින් ඒ වගේම තමයි පේර ගෙඩි වලත් මේ වගේම ගුණ අපිට දකින්න පුළුවන්. විශේෂයෙන්ම සෙම සහ පිත මේ පැහැර ගැනීම එහෙම නැත්නම් ඉවත් කිරීමේ හැකියාව මේ පේර වලට තියෙනවා. ඒ වගේම තමයි අධික ලෙස පෙහෙර අපි අනුභව කරන්න යන්නේ. අධික ලෙස පේර අනුභව කරොත් මොකද බඩ පුරෝදාන ලක්ෂණයක් ඇති කරනවා. විශේෂයෙන් මේකත් එක්ක මලබද්ධ කාරණේකුත් ඇති වෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ නිසා අපි පේර අධික ලෙස ආහාරයට ගන්න ඉදුණු පේර හෝ අමු පේර අපි ගන්නේ සීමා සහිතවයි ගන්නේ.